Hey, what's up? This is K Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel, and now creating cinematic title trailer in After Effects without any plugins. Create a new project, create a new composition, name it here, title. Change the time 5 seconds. Press OK, and then turn on title action save area. Press Ctrl R for turn on the ruler and select the title. Click here. Right here some time is. Move your title center of composition screen. Press Ctrl Alt Home. And this title is not bad. And now turn on 3D switch by pressing F4 on keyboard. Press P for the position Z axis. Press Shift for fast moving. Stopwatch, go to 5 frames, change to 0. And now go to 10 frame, stopwatch, after 5 frame, moving back. Okay, and now press T for the opacity and go to 20 frame, change opacity 0. Render now. Yeah, looking good. And now turn on the motion blur effect. After this, select your title and change the color into gray and create effects. Bevel Alpha. Bevel Alpha, drop this one. A little bit looking shiny. Select again your title. Go to end of 20 frame, press Alt break on keyboard for cut your layer. And now create a new solid. Solid mean is an empty layer. Select the new solid and name it here particles. Particles. Press enter and go to effect and press it right here, CC particle word. Drop this effect. When you play the particles moving and go back to physics, change the gravity 0 and go back to gradient guides, change the floor to world. And now go to producer, change the radius, go back to particle bird, change to 0. When the title moving to screen, the particles birth rate after 1 frame change to 5. After 2 frames change again to 0. And now time to change the particle color. Go to particle parameters, change the colors white. Press OK and turn on the motion blur for the particles. Play again. Okay. Need more faster the particle birth time. 1 frame. Move your particles layer to start. When the particles birth, press T, stopwatch the opacity, change to 0. Play now. Good. And now double click, import the lens light. Move the lens light here. Turn on the 3D When you're moving your title, press P, then move your lens light down. Stopwatch, move your title here, move it up, press Shift, move here. And now play. Looking good. After this, select the position, move your lens light a little bit to right, change this one like a 2-point light. Good. Turn on the motion blur for your light. And now select again, press T for the opacity. When your title going off, move your light and change the opacity 0. Play now. Good. Okay, cut this layer, press Alt break, press Alt break, Alt break. And now need more effect. There is another effect, and there is another effect. Drop this one and press F4 for turn on the mode option. Change the mode add. Press S for scale down, like this. Looking good. Press T for the opacity. You can down the opacity rate to 70% and then go to Tools, select the ellipse, create a mask here, press Ctrl Shift, go to mask, change, subtract, press M, change the fader like this. Double click, create another effect, change to add. There is problem with the format because the background is transparent. Delete this one again and close. And now select these 3 layers and press Ctrl D. Ctrl D, move it at this time and change. Time is now After Effects. After Effects, press A for the anchor point, press Shift for move faster, and now play. Time is now. After Effects. And then select again these 3 layers, this one, and this one. Press Ctrl D for duplicate, move here, double click on the After Effects, motion graphics, press A, sit here, select again, press Ctrl D for creating another copy, select your title and double click motion graphics tutorial of JAE, just After Effects. Good. Close your trim comp and test your project. Fit. Play now. How it's looking great. Okay, I need more effect. Create another new camera, 24mm lens, press OK, and press P, press Alt, click right here, wiggle 10, 30. Play again. Looking shaky. How to create the sound effects. Creating sound effects is your homework. Thank you for watching. See you next time.